These two rectangle part will be the inside part, the separation part. First of all, you put those two right side together and use the pin to secure them. Now you sew them together and make sure you have to leave the open space because you have to turn the work inside out later. You sew go around without that space and always use the back stitch at the beginning and end. Now, outside part. Same as rectangle. First of all, put those two right side together and make sure leave the open spaces. You need to turn the work inside out again. To use pin to secure them. By mistake, I took 1/4 inch of seam allowance, but for this rectangle, should be 1/8 seam allowance. Now, outside part, 1/4 inch seam allowance, and some part you have to go so slow because it's not straight line. Also, remember you have to leave about 4 inches open space to turn the work inside out later. Before you turn the work inside out, you have to cut excessive fabric around 4 corners to show nice sharp looking corners when you turn the work. Also, please do not cut the thread. Now, outside. Because you want to show nice, smooth, round shape after you turn the work out, you have to nick around the edge, especially round part. Also, the corner of bottom of lid area, and never go across the sewing thread. Now, let's turn the work inside out. As you can see, it's a little bit tough to get the corner out, so I usually use pin and get it out. Now, outside. Before you turn the work inside out, make sure you have enough cut on the edge, and if there is enough, let's turn the work inside out. You put your hand and use the finger to push the fabric out and make nice and smooth. Now you do top stitching, both inside fabric and outside pouch. The seam is 1/8 and make sure to close the openings. Now you put the rectangle fabric onto the outside fabric. You fold in half both way and make a mark and try to find the center. Once you found the center line, you attach the rectangle fabric onto the outside fabric and make sure it's in the center, and you sew side to side. Here comes the accordion part. You put the pattern behind the fabric. Make sure the center line is in the same position and put the two marking. That's for the accordion part. And do the exactly same thing the other side as well. This two marking is the place you pinch the rectangle fabric. Now, each corner of rectangle must be pinched with outside fabric, the place you put the marking. To use the clip like this, easy to secure them. After you secure four corners with clips like this, you have to make sure alignment is straight. And first pocket part, you will make the one more accordion, but make sure slightly smaller than the other. Now you sew full accordion part, maybe 1 inch from top to down, and first pocket, again you will maybe sew a 1/4 inch just to secure. Now you want to attach the button. You can use any type of the button. Important thing is you just have to find the center, make sure mark it, and I use this easy snaps. I'm not going to show you any details how to attach the button, but after you attach the button, that's done. Enjoy! Please watch the other video. I'll show you how to make this pattern.